There are 5 modes of a visual argument. An argument is defined as something that uses deductive logic, the Aristotelian model, the Toulmin model, or the Hesse approach. Dr. David Fleming believed that images were unable to argue for 2 separate reasons. They do not provide statements or proof, and they do not have 2 different sides. A quote by Dr. Fleming states that, "It would seem, then, that a picture can be considered an argument only by stretching the meaning of that word beyond recognition. It's a lack of internal differentiation between claim and support and precludes it from serving as a self-sufficient argument." However, Birdsell and Groarke do not agree. They state that images can be understood and analyzed through the standard components of arguments and produce the 5 modes of visual argument. A quote by Birdsell and Groarke states that images have rhetorical advantages and are more forceful and persuasive than words. A description of a horrible crime is unlikely to be as powerful as a video, even if the action in the video is a reenactment. The first of the 5 modes of visual argument are visual flags. Visual flags are used to attract attention to a message. They can catch the viewer's attention immediately and make them pay attention. They solve problems in an argumentative way and are used to stand out and make a statement. The second of the 5 modes of visual argument are visual demonstrations. Visual demonstrations are used to visually convey information and can present abstract information more clearly. They are an effective way to describe and reveal a message and show something that is not easily conveyed through words. The third of the 5 modes of visual argument are visual metaphors. Visual metaphors convey a claim figuratively. They portray someone or something as something else. They can use more than one image to display or suggest an analogy between the two, and they leave little doubt as to the intention of the metaphor. 5 modes of visual argument are visual symbols. Visual symbols stand for something else and are visual representations of something direct, such as signs or symbols, and they allow us to communicate effectively because of general convenient associations. The final mode of visual argument are visual archetypes. A visual archetype is a visual symbol whose meaning comes from a popular narrative, and they provide the truth behind an illusion of reality. They also show things that information cannot.